Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from Wig Warehouse. It is a 13 by 6, 30-inch frontal and kinky curly. I'm starting off by putting the Kiss concealer all over my lace. This is what the wig looks like. I'm adding some lace glue and I'm applying it in dots so it don't get too messy or I don't apply too much. And I'm just taking the back of an edge brush and just smudging it. I'm going to pull the wig forward onto the glue and press it in with my fingers. On the lace where there is no glue, I'm just going to be placing a little. As you guys can see, the laces are already melted without the melting band. I'm just using the comb to further melt it. I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses concealer again to get rid of the ashy look on my hairline. This is an even new melting spray and it works wonders. The only thing I don't like about it that it runs, and the black bottle, it don't run as much, but this one is way better in my opinion. Now I'm just gonna be adding the melting band around my edges. When I took it off, this is what it looks like. It really gives scalp. Like, this spray is the best, y'all. Go get it. It should be linked in my Amazon storefront in the description down below. And here is the close-up. There is no filter. Now I'm just going to be parting out the front of my hair for the half up, half down. Now I'm just going to be pulling out my baby hairs where I want them to be. Now I'm spraying the even setting lotion all over my hair and using the flat iron to hold it in place. I mean the hot comb to hold it in place. Now I'm going to be putting it in a ponytail. I'm not going to lie, this was the hardest part because my hair is not combed out, so it was getting tangled. This is not tangled as in the hair is hard, it's tangled because of the curls. All I did here was part my hair in the middle and I'm using a hot comb to make it flat. I didn't know what look I was going for, so eventually I ended up changing the hairstyle, but you guys will see later down in the video. Since I didn't feel like curling my whole head, I decided to just spray my hair with water to get the curl pattern back. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm using some oil sheen for shine. This actually makes your hair look wet all day. It will be linked in my Amazon storefront down below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.